Hello guys, today we are playing. Yo, why are you on my microphone? Okay, anyways, hello guys. Today we're gonna be playing this ceiling fan game. This crazy ceiling fan game. What is wrong with this ceiling fan? Does this one work? Today we're breaking random ceiling fans. Oopsie, I broke it. Oh, damn it. Today we're doing some stuff. I don't know what to do. Okay guys, this is gonna be a short video, but that's it for today. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye guys!